Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to flip or mirror a text box vertically and horizontally in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and select your text box. Now click on this three dot option. Here you will find this edit option and again select your text box. Now click right button and here you will find this rotate option. Click right button and this rotate option and now select this flip horizontally and see this text box flip horizontally. Now I'll flip this vertically and see this. Also you can rotate this text box here. Here also you'll find this rotation option. You can rotate this vertically again and select rotate horizontally. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.